Okay, Joe's Golden Garage got a 07 V8 XC90 V8. Kind of a rare bird in black. It's got almost 200,000 miles. 193,322 new car trade-in at the Acura dealership. It's got new hand-cooked tires on it. It's a pretty black color. It's in good looking condition. All-wheel drive. Body just straight as an arrow. Black leather looks good. No unusual wear and tear. This is not broken. A lot of these break on these XC90s. And of course the leather always goes to hell in these things. Boy, this one's got some equipment. Look at all these buttons. Got the power folding mirrors, parking sensors, rear AC controls. It's got it all. Let's see how she sounds. My battery's going dead, so I hope I don't lose you guys. Ooh, mean sounding. Check engine light. Sounds like it has a miss. It sure does. Sounds like it has a miss. We're gonna drive it anyway and see what we got. Well, the miss goes away just as soon as you step on the gas a little bit. Traction control lights on as well. Yep, it's got a miss. It's a shame. It's a clean looking truck. Got the nice wood grain steering wheel. Wonder if this AC's cold. Man, the AC is dead. There it goes. Ooh. Anti-skid service required, so the ABS is wigging out on us. I don't know as much about these V8s. I know I like how it sounds. It sounds really mean, but reliability wise, I don't know a whole lot about them. It's got some go. Whoa, has it got some go. Wow, check engine light flashing. Slow down or shift up. Okay, so this thing's got some problems. We've got maybe some transmission problems or something. Slow down or shift up. It's shifting. Man, that's a strong V8. But it's got some problems. It has some problems. Lordy be. I'm going to pull over right here and see if we can pop the hood and see what we got. Check engine light flashing. Traction control. This is not good stuff, y'all. Not good. Well, got the slightest misfire. I don't know if you can really tell it from the video, but it's ever so slight. 7 quarts of oil. Man, that thing holds some oil. Yeah, this will be a cheap car tomorrow. It's got some problems that need straightening out. But it's all-wheel drive. It'd be fun to just get it and throw some big off-road tires on it and just drive it until it blows up. Oh well. Alright guys, that's the last one today. We will see you next time. Peace.